Hi guys, this is Jigisha. Welcome back to my channel Jigs Learning Place. So guys, this is third parts of speech video because I already make video about noun and pronoun that are also parts of speech. So if you want to see that video, so go to description box. I already mentioned their link about that. So this video is about verb, types of verb. So I mention here three types of verb. So let's start this video. Verb part 1. This is the third parts of speech. This is a definition of verb. A verb is an action word. It is a something you can do. मतलब कि आप कुछ भी करते हो, कोई एक्शन करते हो, that is a verb. Some verbs are you can see and can't see. So here example. फर्स्ट इज वर्ब यू कैन सी, जो वर्ब है आप देख सकते हो. लाइक दिस एग्जाम्पल जगल, रैप एंड किक. सेकेंड इज वर्ब्स यू कांट सी, जिसको आप नहीं देख सकते हो. दैट इज अ थिंग एंड लव. दिस आर वर्ब. Types of verb. So I mentioned here three types of verb. First is helping verb, second is linking verb, and third is action verb. So first is action verb. This is a definition of action verb. An action verb describes what someone or something is doing. Like example, she tasted the stew. Here tasted is a action verb. She is doing action. The bus arrived on time. So arrived is action verb. The bus is doing action. Arrived मतलब पहुंचना. Like this more example, wash, write, smile, cook, drink and count. These are example of action verb. Second is linking verb. What are linking verbs? So I explain here. These are example of linking verb. Is, am, are, seem and become. These are common linking verbs. First is am, is, are, was, were, be, been, seems, feels and taste. These are common linking verbs. So you can use this is a linking verb. This is a definition of linking verb. Linking verbs are verbs that link the subject of the sentence to an adjective or noun. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि लिंकिंग वर्ब होता है वो एडजेक्टिव और नाउन को सब्जेक्ट के साथ जॉइंट करता है. So look here example, the food tastes excellent. So the food here is a subject and taste here linking verb. So excellent is a adjective. So the food and excellent to join with a linking verb. So this is a work about linking verb. Second sentence, John is a teacher. So John is a subject and is linking verb and teacher is a noun. So क्या हुआ इसमें कि सब्जेक्ट और नाउन को ज्वाइन किया है इज, मतलब कि लिंकिंग वर्ब ने. सो थर्ड इज अ प्लेटो वॉज अ फिलोसोफर. सो प्लेटो इज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड फिलोसोफर इज अ नाउन. सो वॉज क्या है, लिंकिंग वर्ब. सो प्लेटो और फिलोसोफर को लिंकिंग वर्ब ने क्या किया, ज्वाइन किया है. दैट आर ऑल्सो फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल इज अ सैरॉन साउंड सिक. So here is Sharon is a subject and sick is a adjective. and sound is a linking verb. So sounds join to Sharon and sit. Last is a John seems happy. John is a subject, happy is the adjective and seem is a linking verb. So these are example of linking verb. I connect word means linking verb. This is a linking verb. Third, helping verb. This is a definition of helping verb. A helping verb comes before the main verb and helps to state an action or show time. So look here, this is a helping verb. Can, could, did, do, had, has, have, may, should, will and would. They are helping verb. These are more helping verb. Am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. Second is have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, can and could. These are also helping verb. So you can use this helping verb in an English grammar. This is a definition of helping verb. A helping verb works together with the main verb. Like this example, she is living. So यहाँ पे she is a subject, is that helping verb, living is a main verb. Second is I have finished my work. So here main verb is a finish. So here have is a helping verb. I give some example of helping verb. First is I am driving a car. So driving is a main verb and am is a helping verb. Second, she is sleeping. So sleeping is a main verb and is that is helping verb. Third is they were singing a song. So singing is a main verb and were is a helping verb. Fourth, you will qualify the examination. So qualify is a main verb and will is helping verb. Last is she has reached her destination. Reach, that is a main verb and has is helping verb. So these are example of helping verb. So guys, I give some example of this chart: action verb, linking verb and helping verb. So action verb and linking verb are main verb, that are main verb, and helping verb are not a main verb. So you can understand here, action verb and linking verb are main verb and helping verb are not main verb. So action verb example is grow, swim, fly and fill. Linking verb are grow, smell, feel and is. And last is helping verb. Did, must, do, taste, has been, did fly, will fall. That are example of three types of verb.